Let me tell you, it's not a joke. Now what is happening, devolution will be run from the office of DCI na EACC. Governors saisi, governors, nilikuwa na mwingine huko Homa Bay jana, wanatetemeka tu, tetemeka. Zama tu yesa, atuongei, hata microphone hatutaki. Kwa sababu wameambiwa, mnajua tu, unajua ile kafile ile, inasema ulipitia hapa, okay basi, iko hapa. Kiongea tu, usiposema BBI, na usiposema handshake, unapelekwa hapo, unashughulikiwa, unatolewa ofisi, unaambiwa ngojea kesi, na kesi hiyo itaisha 2027. If that will be the case, and I want us to have a honest conversation as Kenyans. The Constitution never envisaged that county governments are going to be closed at the behest of those who are controlled by national government. If devolution is going to be left at the situation, wajana, unajua mnaongea hapa, mnaongea mambo mingi. Ati Murkomen alienda kotini kusimama na Songo, sijui nani, sijui nini. Let me tell you, the first responsibility of the Senate is not oversight. Go and read Article 96 of the Constitution. The first responsibility of the Senate is to protect counties and county governments. And I can tell you, I'm no longer a small person. Nimekuwa mtu mzima. Na nilikuwa lecturer kwa university. Nilikuwa kwa task force on devolved government. Niliandika, I was part of the people who wrote 6 laws on devolution. I understand devolution in Kenya like the palm of my hand. Devolution is under threat. And soon counties will be closed. The worst part of this situation is that even the Council of Governors chair ameingiza tail yake kwa katikati ya mguu. He cannot even talk. The Council of Governors, which used to have authority to speak, can no longer speak. Sasa governors wanasomewa na county commissioner.